Okay, today I'll be demoing the Best Western check-in feature developed by Runtriz. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go directly to the link that Best Western would be sending. All right, and you'll first land on this interstitial page. This page is necessary in order for us to collect the appropriate information. So this is where we're going back to the Best Western services. We're collecting UUID, we're collecting guest info that's going to be passed to the platform, and this is actually a foundation for the mobile key as well. So first the user lands here, clicks on check-in, and we arrive at the property. Now this is a live property. We're getting information directly from Best Western right now, and so it's directing us to property 03116. And as you can see, we've got the guest recognition at the top. It says, "Welcome, Sunil Parcha." At this point, the user can now click on check-in. I will note that this guest recognition at the top remains on the platform, and so the user would have to close that. We can change that if needed. You click on check-in, and at that point, you go through the regular check-in process. So when the check-in process is completed, which I'm not going to do here because this is an actual live property, when the check-in process is completed, then we are sending this information to the Best Western services. We send in all of the summary of all the questions as well as the answers. We send in the time at which this was entered. And so at that point, Best Western should have a record for the PMS to then populate its information depending on kind of what the user submits here. So that's the functionality. There are some things to talk about in terms of testing, in terms of design, and in terms of alerting, which we can do at a later date, but this will give you an idea of what the functionality looks like.